Well, hello there, everyone. I figured it was probably a good time to revisit some of the Farm Vox fans and stuff like that, so this is the one we're starting with. This is the Superlectric model 2083. I don't know exactly when it dates from, but I would guess late 70s, since it has the metal motor as opposed to the plastic one. It's a 3-speed fan, so let's start off on high speed. This is our kind of runner when we're here for my bed. I was using it last night. So there's high. There's medium. And low. It's very quiet. Take it back up to high. And spin down. Couldn't ask for a whole lot more than that out of your fine old box fan.